My house, it's big, and in the living room, you can see a tree. The tree is right in front of the window. And we have some chairs out there too. They're made for homeschool. I've been homeschooling for really about a year now. It's fun. I prefer homeschool because I feel like you could end it faster than normal school. My sister is homeschooled as well. My favorite subject is science. I find it cool because there's different types of science. Like volcanoes, water balloons, different things like that I really enjoy. Video too. Hi, my name is Brianna and I'm 7 years old. I'm an only child and I have a story for you. Well, two stories. First one's about Brittany. The other one's about a pig. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Brittany, and she really loved to dance, especially ballet. She hadn't joined ballet class yet, so later at her 7th birthday, she was so happy to see her friends and family. They were giving her ballet gifts like shoes and ballet lights.